Hello friends, this is Shilpa Shinde. I am going to teach about the isomerism and its classification. It is a very short topic but very important in study of isomerism or study of stereochemistry. Let us see the introduction. Organic chemistry is the chemistry subdiscipline involving the scientific study of the structure, properties, and reaction of organic compounds and organic materials, that is matter in its various form that contain carbon atoms. Study of structure includes many physical and chemical method to determine the chemical composition and the chemical constitution of the organic compounds and material. The organic chemistry include various discipline, that means it study the structure of the organic molecule, their properties like the physical properties and chemical properties, how the molecule is formed and how they will react. All the study were in organic chemistry. Let us see what is isomerism. The term isomers and isomerism, they are interrelated. The organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different structure are known as isomers, and the phenomena is known as isomerism. In other words, the organic compounds having the same molecular formula but having different arrangement of carbon atom in them are known as isomerisms. The isomers having the same molecular formula, that means they having the same number of carbon, same number of hydrogen, and same number of any heteroatom if they're present, but they having a different structure, they having number of structures, are known as isomerisms. Let us see the classification of isomers or isomerism. Basically, the isomerism or isomers are classified into two types, that is structural isomer and stereoisomers. The structural isomers again classified into six types, that is chain isomers, position isomer, functional group isomer, ring chain isomer, metamerism, and tautomerism. The second type, that is stereoisomer, again divided into two types, that is geometrical isomerism and stereoisomerism. This is the brief classification of isomers. Let us see the structural isomers. This type of isomer is classified into six types, that is chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, ring chain isomerism, metamerism, and tautomerism. Let us see first the chain isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds are known as chain isomerism. It differs in nature of carbon chain, straight or branch. For example, C4H10, that is molecular formula having C4H10, but this molecular formula can give many structures, that is isomers. First is butane and second is 2-methyl propane. In case of butane, the number of carbon and number of hydrogen are same as given in molecular formula, that is C4H10. The butane structure is a straight chain structure and its isomer is a 2-methyl propane, that is again it having a same molecular formula, that is C4H10, but the structure is branched, and the again the compound is a propane, 2-methyl propane. At a second position there is a methyl group, that is a branch compound. Like that, the chain isomerism having the straight chain or the branch compound having the same molecular formula but they having a different structures. The second is the positional isomer. The same molecular formula represents two or more compound. It differ in the position of the same functional group. For example, butene has a two isomers, namely but 1-in and but 2-in. That means if you consider a butene, in case of butene there is presence of double bond, that is it having a functional group, that is alkene. The double bond present at one position is called but 1 in, and double bond present at a 2 position is called but 2 in. These two are the isomers of each other. They having slightly different physical and chemical properties, but overall the structure having the same molecular formula, that is C4H8, same carbon and same hydrogen, but the structure is differ by the only the position of presence of carbon carbon double bond. Therefore it is known as positional isomer. In case of positional isomer, the functional group position is differ in both structure, but the molecular formula is same. The third type is the functional group isomerism किंवा or functional isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds, but it differ in the nature of the functional group. For example, C3H6O2 has a two isomer, namely propanoic acid and methyl ethanoate. In case of propanoic acid, there is presence of COOH, that is carboxylic acid functional group, and in case of methyl ethanoate, there is presence of C double bond O, that means the ester functional group. But both the compound, that is propanoic acid and methyl ethanoate, both having the molecular formula, that is C3H6O2. Thus these two are the functional group isomerism. That means they are having the same molecular formula, but both the compound having different functional group, having a different chemical and physical properties. That's why they are called as functional group isomers. The fourth type is metamerism isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compound. It differ in the nature of alkyl group attached to the same functional group. For example, diethyl ether and methyl propyl ether are the metamerical isomers. That means the alkyl group present in case of these two example, diethyl ether and methyl propyl ether, both are the ethers, but the alkyl group present on either side of O or oxygen atom are the different. In case of diethyl ether, it is a symmetrical ether. In case of diethyl ether, the CH3 CH2, that means ethyl group are present on both either side of the oxygen. But in case of methyl propyl, at one side there is CH3 group present, and on another side there is CH2 CH3 group is present. That's mean they having the same molecular formula but having a different structures. Therefore they are called as metamerism isomerism, where the only the attachment of alkyl group present on the either side of the functional group atom or group is different. The fifth is the ring chain isomerism. The same molecular formula represent two or more compound. It differ in mode of linkage of carbon atom. The isomers have either open chain or a closed chain. For example, propene and cyclopropane are a ring chain isomer. In case of propene, it is a straight chain structure where there is presence of double bond, but the presence of carbon atom and hydrogen atom are the same as in the cyclopropane. In case of cyclopropane, there is no presence of uh, carbon carbon double bond, but there is a presence of a ring system. Again, both the compound, that is propene and cyclopropane, having the same carbon atom, same hydrogen atom. Therefore they are having the same molecular formula but having a different structure in the form ring and a chain. Chain means straight chain compound and ring means the cyclic compound. The next is the tautomerism isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compound. It exists in dynamic equilibrium with each other. It can be present in many forms such as the nitro form and aciform, ketoform and enolic form, etc. For example, nitroethane and isonitroethane are the tautomerical isomerisms, or the best example is the ketoform and enolic form. Out of these forms, one of them is the stable and one of them is the unstable. Therefore the unstable form is ultimately converted into a stable form. The next type is the stereoisomer. The isomers means the compound having the same molecular formula but having a different structure and a spatial different arrangement of the atom or group of atom in the space. This type of isomerism differ in the spatial arrangement of an atom or a group. It is of two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Let us see the geometrical isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It differ in a spatial arrangement of an atom or a group around the carbon-carbon double bond. It is of two types. If same group are on the same side, then it is called as a cis isomer. Same group on the same side means the presence of the same priorities group at the one plane of the carbon-carbon double bond. That means the same side is called as cis isomer, and if it is on a opposite side, that is the opposite plane, then it is called as a trans isomer. For example, cis to butene and trans to butene. In case of cis to butene, both the CST group are present at the one plane of the carbon-carbon double bond, in the one plane. And in case of trans to butene, the CST group are present on the opposite plane. Optical isomerism. Optical isomers are the name like this is because of their effect on a plane polarized light. Optical isomers, which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other, are called as the enantiomer. For example, D-alanine and L-alanine, lactic acid, etc. are the optical isomers. The optical isomers are denoted by R and S configuration, or D and L. D means the dextrorotatory form and L means the levorotatory form. R means the compound which rotates the plane polarized light to the right hand side is called as R isomers, and if the compound which rotates the plane polarized light to the left hand side is called as the S isomer. Thank you.